If your income stops when your ads stop, you don't have a business. I'm sorry to say, you have a job with extra steps. Most dropshippers spend years chasing these winning products. Testing, scaling, dying, testing, scaling, dying over and over again. And the worst part, even when it works, you've got nothing. No asset, no recurring revenue, no brand, nothing you can sell. I did nearly 3 million in sales with my supplement brand, selling a single product working only 4 hours a week. I have high margins, recurring revenue, and I'm building something I can actually exit for millions. And today, I'm going to show you exactly why your dropshipping store sucks and how to fix it. Okay, story time. When I started back in 2015, I was in the same boat, chasing products, running ads, making money one month and then broke the next. And I remember thinking, there has to be a better way because this isn't freedom. This is just another hamster wheel. So I stopped chasing winning products and I started building a real brand. One product with recurring revenue, actual customers who come back every month, and everything changed. So let me break down exactly what's wrong with your current model and how to fix it. There's 5 reasons your dropshipping store sucks, and I'm not just saying this to be harsh. I'm saying it because I've been there, I've lived it, I've seen others live it, and I wish someone had told me this years ago. So let's get into it. Reason number 1, you have no recurring revenue. You're stuck in a one-time sales model and it's killing you. Think about it. Every single month you start from zero. It doesn't matter how good last month was. You wake up on the first and the counter resets. You're back in this hamster wheel, finding products, testing ads, hoping something sticks. And when it does, it's a one-time sale. The customer buys, the customer leaves. You never see them again. I'm sorry to say, it's not a business. It's exhausting. So here's the fix. Supplements are consumables. People buy them once, they use them, they buy them again every single month. That's MRR, that's recurring revenue. So instead of you chasing customers continually every month, you're building a base that compounds over time. The same customers paying you over and over. This is how you escape that dropshipping purgatory or hamster wheel. Reason 2, you have no exit value. Let me ask you something. If you wanted to sell your dropshipping store tomorrow, could you actually sell it for real money? The answer is probably no, because there's nothing to sell. You don't own the product, you don't own the supplier relationship, you don't have recurring revenue, you don't have any brand equity. All you've got is some ads and a Shopify store that anyone could copy and rebuild in a weekend. No buyer wants that, it's worthless. But here's the fix. A branded supplement business with real MRR, this is an asset. It has high value, predictable revenue, repeat customers, real margins. This is something you can sell. This is something with exit value. You're not just making money month to month. You're building something that's worth millions. Reason number 3, you have no brand equity. You see, with dropshipping, you're competing on price. That's it. Someone else can sell the exact same product, same supplier, same images, same ads, and they can just undercut you by $1. So it becomes a race to the bottom. Whoever's basically willing to make the least money wins. That's not a moat. That's like a death spiral. So here's the fix. With a branded supplement line, you are the brand. Your name, your story, your audience, and no one can copy that. No one can compete with that. Look at any big supplement brand. They're not winning because they have this magic formula. They're winning because they've built something people trust. That's brand equity. It's a moat. Reason number 4, you have no customer loyalty. Again, in dropshipping, you're always chasing new customers. You make a sale and they're gone. You probably never see them again. You're spending more and more on ads just to stay in the same place. Let's say your acquisition cost, it just keeps going up. But your lifetime value, it's flat because there's no lifetime. It's once and done. But again, here's the fix. Supplements flip this completely. It's a consumable. They use it, they run out, they buy again. That's the model. So instead of constantly hunting for new customers, you're maximizing the ones that you've already got. They keep buying. Your LTV goes through the roof and your business actually starts to compound. This is loyalty. That's real leverage for you. Okay, reason number 5 is you have no moat. And again, this is the kind of brutal truth about dropshipping, like it or not. Anyone, and I mean anyone, from a 13-year-old to a 50-year-old, they can copy you overnight. It doesn't matter. They source or find the exact same product on AliExpress. They can rip your ads, they can clone your store, and they can be live competing against you probably by tomorrow morning. There's literally no barrier to entry. You have no protection, and there's nothing stopping the next guy from eating your lunch, figuratively. But again, here's the fix. Running a founder-led supplement brand is a moat in and of itself. It's your story, your audience, your own custom formula, your own brand, and no one can copy that. It's unique to you. And over time, this is something that will grow and compound. The longer you've been around, the more trust you've built, the harder it is for anyone to compete. Now, this is a real business. That's something defensible. This isn't theory. I've lived it. My own brand, nearly 3 million in sales with a single hero product working less than 4 hours a week. Lully, one of my students, he built a supplement brand, 98% AI generated site, scaled to massive MRR in under 6 months. So this model works. You just have to make the switch. So if you want help making the jump from dropshipping to a real branded supplement business, I have a free community where I work directly with founders on this stuff. Links in the description. I generally take around 10 new members a week, so if it's full, it's full. But if you're serious about building something with actual MRR and exit value, this is where you start. See you in there.